Hey everyone, welcome back to our coolest gadget series. Let's switch it up today. We compiled a list of the craziest gadgets that are catered for women. Of course, we're not excluding the men here, so you're welcome to stick around. Maybe you can get gift ideas for your female loved ones. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video. We saved the best for last. You will find the links to everything in the video description below. Get cozy and let's get right into the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Number 1. Smartphone UV Sanitizer. Smartphone UV Sanitizer. It's post-pandemic, people. We should be regularly cleaning our phones. Alcohol wipes are terrible for your screen, so this product will disinfect your phone while keeping it in perfect condition. I'm sure you all use your cell phone every day, but how many times do you properly clean the phone of yours? Probably never, right? Now look closely at your phone. Do you see any dirt on it? I'm sure there isn't any, but guess what? That phone of yours has 1 billion harmful bacteria on it. It is 18 times dirtier than a public toilet. Crazy, right? While we can avoid these public toilets, how can we avoid our cell phones? We can't, so why not get a smartphone UV sanitizer and keep it clean 24/7? This gadget uses UVC light that kills up to 99% of germs present on your phone surface. That too in just 10 minutes. All you have to do is put your cell phone in a sleek device and let it work its magic. Once the process is complete, the light in the device goes off, showing that your phone is free of all germs. Number 2. Super Versatile Hair Curler 7-in-1. Super Versatile Hair Curler 7-in-1. Girls love to take care of their hair. That's why, to keep their hair not only healthy but also looking beautiful and shiny, a super versatile curling iron with 7 nozzles for various types of styling is used. All the necessary settings can be made using the LCD and buttons on the body of the curling iron. The curling iron comes with a bag for easy storage and a heat-resistant glove, so you don't burn yourself when creating curls or changing nozzles during curling. With this curling iron, having 7 different options adds so many new looks to your hair instead of purchasing 7 different curling irons. By the way, which curls do you like more? Comment down below. Number 3. Smart Comb Braun Satin Hair. Smart Comb Braun Satin Hair. Hair care is big these days. TikTok is riddled with tips on keeping your hair thick and shiny. Maybe you'll want this comb with an ionization function. There's a special button on the body of this comb. By clicking on it, you will release millions of active ions that eliminate static electricity from your hair, straightens messy hair, and adds shine. With this device, your hair is gonna get too many compliments. Keep an eye out for Evil Eye. Number 4. Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera. Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera. Okay, after getting all done up, you need to bank some pictures. Right now, film and Polaroids are the biggest trends, and the fastest and the easiest way is a pocket Polaroid. Not the one from our childhood, but in a modern enclosure with new features. For example, now you can edit photos directly in the camera and print them using various filters. For instance, black and white sepia or frame photos are printed on special paper which is sold separately, and the camera only holds 10 sheets of photo paper, so taking them on a walk is more than enough. Number 5. Body Massager. Body Massager. With this device, girls can relax after a hard day's work. This can be the perfect gift for your friends or loved ones. You can give her this Pure Wave CM07 massager. It is recommended by sports coaches and therapists. The massager can manage powerful shock and micro-vibration therapy due to its 2 motors and is suitable for almost the whole body. The massager comes with several nozzles and is not only a relaxing but also a healing effect. It deserves your attention and your muscles deserve the massage. Number 6. Bluetooth Shower Speaker. Bluetooth Shower Speaker. Ladies, if you like to dance to a loud beat in the shower, I've got a gadget that you will fall in love with. That is the Bluetooth Shower Speaker. This portable speaker is 100% waterproof, so you can take it in the shower with you and not worry about destroying it while enjoying your favorite song. The best part is that it has long battery life and the manufacturer offers a 100 money-back guarantee for 1 year. So what are you waiting for? We both know that you would love getting this and taking a hot shower with your favorite songs blasting. Number 7. Ember Smart Mug. Enjoying this video so far? Show some love by hitting the like button. Ember Smart Mug. If you are a coffee lover, you probably wish for a device that would keep your coffee hot all the time. Well, guess what? Some tech genie heard your wish and came up with the temperature control smart mug. This mug lets you select your desired temperature for the coffee. Once that is done, all you have to do is pour your coffee into the mug and let Ember do its magic. If your coffee is already at your desired temperature, Ember will maintain it for almost 2 hours. In case you put in cold coffee, the intelligent system will get to work. The LED lights will show when the beverage has reached its perfect temperature, and voila! Your lazy ass will get hot coffee in the comfort of your bed. Number 8. Facial Cleansing Brush. Facial Cleansing Brush, a special automatic brush, will help wash off her makeup deep in your pores and treat your skin. There are 2 nozzles, one for daily use and the second for weekly procedures. To start the spot treatment, you should simply press the button and choose the speed of rotation. A special antibacterial base station will not allow microbes to settle on the brush when it is not used and will prepare the brush for a new use during charging. Number 9. 3D Face Roller. 3D Face Roller, and this stylish thing is a massager for the face and other parts of the body. Its uses are extremely simple to take the handle and massage the 2 rollers on the desired body parts. It's easy and effective. Such simple actions help to lift the face, improve blood circulation, and relieve tension. Besides, this massager looks beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. Number 10. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, be it a family gathering or just a night out with friends, women love to style their hair. But using heating tools on your hair every other day can do a lot of damage in the long run. Keeping this in mind, Dyson has come up with a gadget that will probably become every woman's best friend. That is Dyson's Supersonic Hair. Its digital V9 motor and air multiplier technology amplifies air 3 times and gives fast drying and styling. It also protects your hair from extreme damage with the help of its intelligent heat control system. This heat control system measures the air temperature over 40 times per second to ensure that the heat is not high enough to destroy your beautiful hair. The best part of this hair dryer is that it isn't made of certain types of hair. So girls, don't you worry. It doesn't matter if your hair is curly or straight. This device will act as a knight in your shining armor and give you perfectly styled hair every time. That too, with no damage. Isn't that impressive? Number 11. Cosmetic Bag. Cosmetic Bag. The second last useful thing for girls is a cosmetic bag for travel. You can choose any size and model with different sets of pockets. These cosmetic bags are perfect for traveling and do not take up much space in a travel bag. There are many compartments, so everything will be easily laid out, and some compartments are detachable to take them with you separately or vice versa to leave them at home. Number 12. Dermaflash Luxe. Dermaflash Luxe. In this busy world, it is hard to visit the spa every few weeks. But does that mean you will have to spend your days looking dull and wrinkly? The answer is no. Ladies, you can now get glowing radiant skin in the comfort of your own home. All thanks to Dermaflash Luxe. They equip this incredible gadget with sonic edge technology, which removes peach fuzz and dead skin cells from your face. With just one use, you will see the instant radiance and glow. The manufacturer also promises a considerable reduction in wrinkles within 4 weeks. The exfoliation device is very gentle on your skin, so you don't have to worry about it causing any damage. The best part is that this device is small enough to be carried anywhere. So whether you're going on a vacation or an office trip, you can keep Dermaflash Luxe in your bag and get spa-like treatment whenever. And that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and show some love in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more just as cool videos.